Hello everyone. We are recording our planning in for the Create Go team, and also people who are now taking the Create Go challenge, who are and they are on second level. So I want to connect you guys with how to say the mentors or people who already worked in Creatego for years, and people who are now joining and maybe will join in one or couple of months, will join the team. And this recording also is for for you who will watch this registration, so you will understand how we are working, what is our priorities, how we talk about clients, and what kind of projects we have, how the planning starts, ends, and also maybe you'll take something useful for you. Okay, as usual, we start with pray, because we believe all our talents and all our work we have is from God, and we are thankful to Him. Our Jesus, thank you for work you provided to us, for challenges, and for also opportunities we have. We are thankful for these people who joined now this Create Go challenge. Help them to take this challenge seriously and make their homework, and also be a part of our team in future. Thank you for our clients and for providing bread on our table, and help us to serve them well and efficiently. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. Okay, so guys who are on Create Go Challenge, you will, for the first part, just listen, and after you will have an opportunity to say in 1 minute some challenges. You will see how we will do. So you have 3 questions. One question is how, what good, what fine, what you are thankful for this week. Second, what challenges you had, and third, what you plan for next week. So you will see how we are answering, and you will have opportunity to tell also, but you will have 1 minute. We have a little bit more minutes, but you will have only 1 minute. So let's begin. I am first. Nina, share the timer and let's begin. Yep, the timer. So let's start. Was very interesting to see what good had happened to me and for the company. It was very interesting to see how this new interns or new generation of Create Go team is doing their work, and they are taking seriously what they have. They are doing their homework. I'm analyzing them. I'm looking to them, and I'm grateful. Also, it's a little bit sad for that persons who are not finishing the challenge and abandoned or didn't understand yet, and somebody joined now and they want to take the Create Go challenge, but it's too late. So I'm a little sad for that situation, but maybe in close future they will have another opportunity to take this challenge and learn. I'm somebody who was on this journey. He said was very useful for me to learn how to build websites. Unfortunately, I cannot go on the next stage because it will require much more time and attention for him. But he will definitely check in future after 2 years. So he want to finish the school, and after he may try again. So I'm thankful for these kind of guys. we send another good thing. What happened? We send a report to a big project we have here in Strashain to build a website for the community to say what problems in Strashain is, and we send this and waiting for sponsors to approve it. If they will like it, if they will see this is a needed project, they will sponsor it, and we will build it. We'll see how this will go. Uh, Company in the United States is still opening in the process, and yeah, it will take 1 or 2 months to finish it. Finish to register to IRS service for paying taxes to United States. This is very important. And but it's good is in process. A lot of clients are waiting to pay us from United States, so they are unfortunately they cannot pay here in Moldova. They have some problems with this. Um, Another good thing what happened and um, is we are meeting here today together, and we will have and you will have the challenge to teach. So all of you from Create Go team will have a challenge to teach the new interns how to build websites and teach them what they need to know uh, regarding this. So you will have a task for to doing this. So you will be a teachers. You will be the teachers. This is the
A great
plan for next
opportunity.
week.
The next.
So, hello to everyone. My name is Igor, and today I'll speak about my week. This week was full of challenges. Like, it was hard to combine work from CreateGo with work from Flow Themes, but still it was good. Like, I had some tasks and at Flow Theme and I had like articles to study, and it's very like too much for me. Like the info which I should know as a future customer support, but still, it is interesting, and it yeah, I guess it will help me later. And um, like yeah, on CreateGo, I made. Some changes on Appius. It was harder, but still it went good. Yeah, what I plan is about Pascal construction. I should move it to Breezy, and yeah, maybe some tasks from Nico. Yeah, that's all.
Hello, everyone. My name is Nina, and this week I had to work on Breezy, Decalini, Junk My Car, Pascal Construction, and Breezy Google Ads. I have created a new campaign to promote the page Breezy Cloud. It's a pity we don't have any results. The campaign works for one day. I hope tomorrow we'll have some results. Just to be sure that something video campaigns will work, some video campaigns will work, I have turned on cold remarketing. I've tested cold remarketing for 1 week, and we have some results, good results. And I turned on it again. I have changed audiences. Now I test 3 audiences. The Breezy IO audience, Breezy Cloud audience, and those who entered Breezy pricing page. This is what about Breezy. Decalini, I've set it up a campaign, page like campaign. I've tested for 3 days. I have tested toilets, and today I've created 2 more ads with different texts, and I have raised budgets, and I will check it Monday how it will work. I've changed. Tuesday I've created also a campaign for Jump My Car for Scar construction, but where we don't have good results. And Jump My Cars, there are some results, but Scar constructions are not results. Also, I've changed prices as well as at in the end of the week. I've checked all the accounts just to be sure that all is okay. So this was my week. It was productive and very good.
Thank you. So Katalin joined us. He was late, and I will just tell again. Now we say what happened very good in this week, and what challenges we had, and third, what we plan for the next week. So now the opportunity to you guys. So we'll begin with Anatol, after will be Yulia and Katalin. So you have 3 questions in 1 minute. In 1 minute, they have one less. What was good, what challenges you had, and what you think to do next week. So Anatol.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
My name is Anatol, and for this week I had to watch some videos, copy another website, and learn to make something in Photoshop. And
And what was good? This was challenge for you.
I think it was a good and very nice new experience, and yeah.
Okay. And you plan for the next week to do the same, to improve these projects?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Prepare, you will show us later after the meeting. Okay. Yulia?
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Julia, and what was good this week I went on making the website, this harvest VS button. It was a little hard at the start, but in every day I learn more and more, and watch videos when I don't know how to do a thing. What was hard and what I still don't know and I want to learn how to make when a person access, for example, home and want to learn more about this, how to make it. So, what? Anything else?
So this is also our plan for the next week to do this. Okay. Thank you. So now we have Katalin.
Hello, my name is Katalin. In this week I watched all course about Breezy and how to work with the sites, how to make a more attractive page. I watch also some Photoshop videos and Adobe Photoshop, no Photoshop, but Illustrator to make some vectorial photos and to make from zero. And for this week, from the next week, I have in plan to improve my skills in the Illustrator and the Photoshop.
Thank you. Good. And for the next 3 minutes, we'll have each of us from the Create Go team, not from Create Go Challenge. So you will not have opportunity to answer questions, but we have this timing. So I will answer questions to my team. So if somebody have a question, they can ask me. We have 1 minute. Nina or Igor, if you have a question for me.
I don't have questions, but I can tell you about appeals, like which asked from categories. Why we can't make a
Okay.
post for.
When we will plan the tasks, we will have this.
Okay.
Nina,
So
you don't have questions, or you have questions?
no.
I have questions regardless SVS. Should we publish banners with the prices, or we should just use search
Yep, we can show the price.
with banners on Facebook, on Google Ads? Okay, thank you.
Okay, to Igor. Yep, I have a question. Did you prepare the demo for Autoglass business last?
No, I put it like already. I could find only two websites which were built on Breezy Cloud, and I took
Some elements.
them. Huh?
You took some elements from each side, huh? You took?
Nah.
Okay.
And made a website like at Rapid Revo. But I didn't configure the color and the fonts because I thought it's a demo and let him do what he wants. I
Yep.
don't know which is the logo, so
Sure, but it's a little messy, and it's better to have some colors by default, and after they will change to look nice. So they need to have this first impression very nice. Okay, so plan to do this. Nina, questions to you, but we don't see the timer. Don't forget about timer. Okay. I actually don't have a question.
Thanks.
Igor maybe have.
Okay. Let's go to.
No, let me ask if Igor don't have at least. How is the uh, how it's called in English?
Thesis.
Thesis, yes.
Thesis not so good. I'm waiting for finally.
So Nina is finishing the university at marketing, and she need to finish the thesis. Yes, she cannot finish it, but on the last day she will do the most work needed, like like this. Okay, let's open Trello. I have some tasks to do to move to done. I forgot to move it. Can you wait for me?
Sure, I'm waiting.
And as usual, I cannot log in.
we can make. No.
I cannot log in Atlassian.
You can tell us what tasks and we will move.
Yeah, but I need to log in to be able to plan my tasks.
Enter your Gmail.
Yes.
It had to send you a code.
Usually it works.
We liked Atlassian so much.
They do a big mess. Okay. I'm in, almost.
But how you did on last sprint plannings?
Done. Finished. What I did?
No, how you did it?
Ask me again. I didn't understand what you mean.
How you planned the week and everything like in Trello last meetings, last sprint plannings?
Like usual.
But you should be logged in Trello, no?
Trello log out me, so
It's
he
Atlassian thing.
at last I think he took me out. Hey,
It kicks me out sometimes twice a day. It's okay.
wow, once a month. Okay,
I guess
so
Atlassian is my friend, and I don't get such problems.
With a
okay.
special
So
laptop.
guys, I want to explain for everyone else who are listening us. This chart here is kind of our week, and this is our tasks. So when we begin the week, this is green line, like full tasks. We had 45 kind of tasks, and till the end of the week, we need to lower this line to be below green. So we try very hard to be below green, but it's above. It's above green, and at the end of the week, we kind of finish almost all the tasks we planned to have. And this is the goal, to have the last tasks possible at the end of a week. And each day we work to lower this line. When we finish one task, the line is a little bit lower at the end of the day. So this is kind of how it works. Okay, Nina, make our calculation. How many percentages we finished from what we planned? Oh, only me remained with tasks? Wow, guys, you did amazing. You finished all the tasks? Only I remained. Good job.
It happens. I can share my whole screen. Okay. Now you will see only my calculator.
Okay. So we have 88% of completion. This is amazing.
Let's say 89.
89. Amazing. So now plan new week. A new week we plan with tasks. So
You can
everyone.
plan now.
Hmm?
You can plan now.
Okay, so everyone will put his task on to-do column, and this will be the task most to do for the next week. And when we work on a task, we kind of put it on doing, or when we finish, we drag it on to done. So it's finished and it's done. And you can have your column and plan on your column to be more easy. We have a backlog. This is kind of archive of the tasks. So this way it works. So Nina, you finished?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Explain how backlog works. How we name every task. Like what is backup, what is green, yellow, and so on.
So I'll take as example my cards. We have backups. Usually maybe I'll start with the labels. Every task has different label. Usually we use the most. Tell my this. The yellow one, the factory, we use it for our clients when we are doing ads for them or creating a landing page or some designs. If we had to write SEO text or to create a no. SEO text, it's my part. We usually use it for our YouTube courses. We use the orange one, the design and video, the purple one we use for banners. The black one we use for backups, and I will
Explain.
I'll tell you, explain for what is it. Do I need to explain other labels?
No, it's enough.
So the backups usually we don't name them. It's a task. We don't know what we'll have to do it if we something will appear suddenly. Then we'll have to do it and name it during the week. Other tasks. What is the rule? How do we write? This number in the parentheses means story points. So how do you appreciate your task? What difficulty does it have? We use Fibonacci. If I'm right, Fibonacci numbers. It starts with 1, then it's 2, 3, and then 5, 8. You can watch on the internet what does it mean. So 1 is for small task, a easy task, 2 is harder, and 5 harder and harder. First, we write the name of a campaign, the client, let's say like this. The second, this letter means Google Ads. It may be LP, landing page, or D for design. I think so. FB for Facebook, and other needs. So you write the platform where do you work. And after 2 dots, you have to write your actual task, what you need to do. So I hope you understand. And when you create a card, let me show you. You create a card. You write the story point.
Guys, don't worry. You cannot understand at this meeting, but at least you will get a little bit more familiar. So later you will better understand, especially when we will plan your tasks.
Okay.
But it's good you will hear this kind of structure, how everything is organized here. Okay, tell what you did.
I think I'm done. Explanation.
Show how you filter your cards, other people's cards.
Usually, if you want to filter your card, you can press Q on your keyboard, the Q letter, and the board shows only your cards. But here in the right corner, you can find Show Menu, and down low, Search Cards. You can filter by labels, or you can filter by names, by members, and see the cards. So this is how it works. And during the week, you can use only the cards from to-do column and switch it between doing, done, depends on your stage. But these columns with your name, your personal columns, you can use during the week to write tasks for the next week. And when we have sprint planning, we can drag these cars to a to-do column. That's it.
That's it. Okay. I checked until you explain it. I checked all the tasks for Igor. Igor, please plan one more training meeting, and on this training meeting you will have all these guys from Create Go Challenge. So explaining their questions. Better to plan for like maybe 127 or 28. You need to choose, let's choose here a date and an hour when will be this training for about 1:30 minutes. Guys, do you hear me, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
7th?
27 will work for you? 27 April. Igor, let's start with Igor. Igor, can you do on 27?
Yes, but I'll do it after 3.
Yes, after 3. It's better. Let's have it on maybe, I don't know, 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock. Let's
Okay.
ask everyone what if they can. Katalin, Anatol, Yulia, what hour is working best for you?
To make a live training? Or,
Yes, yes.
Um, before 4 and 6.
Mm-hmm.
5 o'clock. It's a good hour.
But can you do on 4?
Yes, I can do on 4.
Okay, 4.
It's not a problem.
Anatol?
4 o'clock, I think, is
4
the
o'clock.
best.
So for everyone, 4 o'clock it's a good time. Yes.
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 Okay, until 6. So at max will be 6 o'clock. But if it will be from 4 to 5 or 4 to 5:30, so it will be okay. Igor, create a task. So and name it.
Already.
And okay, Nina, show us the task. Okay, and you guys see this is 3 story points. This means it's a bigger task what he need to do. And Igor, you'll need to record this meeting. Can you record it? Like tutorial.
Yes.
Okay, you need to record, make a test, because you need to record also your microphone. Sometimes it's not working. Okay, make a test before it, like put your phone or somewhere in your room, record, and like and see if it's hearing. Like you put your phone on, I don't know, in your living room with a TV, and try to see if it will work, and you will record it. Okay, and make on Google Meetings.
Okay.
Like this. Good. So this will be a training, and you will need a new task to check the guys how they are doing their homework. So on 29 you will check their they will show you what they did, how they accomplished all the things. Maybe you will answer some questions, and on 29 you just check if everything is okay. If not, you will make kind of some small tutorials to show them what needs to be improved to be more better. Like this block is need to be created like this, or you didn't take attention to these details, but these details are important, or mobile and so on. You know all our details. Okay, So this week will be your goal to check and train the guys. Good. Let's look to everyone's tasks. Let me look. My tasks. Nina. Check budgets. Action tag for Breezy. SEO. YouTube SEO. 29 April. You mean my last video? What I put?
Yes.
Okay. Decolini. Pascal construction. Okay. Good. We are ready to start the sprint.
So may I ask you about Appius?
Oh yes. Did you finish the Appius?
Yes, I finished, but the point is that we have an Word file with like translation of some posts, but I can't find like that post. It's strange because like the translation is, I guess, is bigger than every our post which we have on website. So it's kind of they said that on website is messy, but I guess that in translation is messy. And I really don't understand how I can like in what post should I translate and so on.
Okay, show the document. Let's a little bit analyze.
Okay, but it will take time a little bit.
Guys will see how real tasks are delegated to us, and we need to figure out what they mean.
I can't.
Okay, next time.
So, like the point is like the translation is like too much. Like they have translation like for one page, but in all our posts is like maximum like 100 symbols.
Okay.
Like 100, like 100.
Okay, I need to look again. If I will not understand, also I will ask them to be more clear.
Okay.
Like send a link to each post. Okay, if we are ready, can you put it on live? Do you have any struggles to make this project to be live?
No, I don't have, but now I'll be like busy, and today till 10 p.m. I just will be busy, and after this on Saturday and Sunday I'm also busy.
So on Monday you will change the name servers.
Yes.
Okay. Plan this. Don't forget about it. Okay. So now we will switch to create Go challenge, and we'll see everyone's tasks and how they perform and what we can help with. If everyone from the team one can stay and won't stay, they are welcome. If not, it's okay. I'll take from here. Okay, if somebody leaves, let me know.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
You too.
I also have to go.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, now we are here. Let's check your homework. Who wants to begin? Who has many questions?
I have a question in Breezy.
Show the question.
1 second.
Yes.
How can I make this portfolio like this?
Okay.
It's not a blue feature.
Ah, you don't have access to the
I
page.
don't have that.
Now you have. I sent it you a couple of minutes ago on your email. Check your email. Okay, go to. Yep, this. Yep, here it's kind of pro. You can move your project here. Go to your personal project. Yeah, back on the dashboard. Yes, here. Show me where is this project. Yes, click on this dot. Yes, move. Yes. Now try to work here. Carousel or something like this. It's okay. From here you know what to do. Good. Another question. Show. Yeah, this illustration, what I said, make this in Photoshop. Let me write. Let me see what I wrote at you. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay. Did you make some designs? I see. Good. Mm-hmm. Good. Very good. Great. Okay. Yes. Make it bigger? Okay. I understood. Let me show you. Okay. You see my screen?
Yes.
Oh, you see 2 projects, so you need to delete one. What you don't need. I think not this one.
No, this one. This next. Yes.
Okay, we need to go to settings, here more settings, and we need to find where is this. Okay, 0. So every time when you have some spaces, what you don't need, you need to go or here, or on these settings, or on this. Everywhere you have some space, or this. And these spaces you need to just remove. Okay? And then in this case you will need to have kind of overlay of white or some color, and you can put a color, you can dim the percentage, and you will have you can insert some text here. Okay, another question?
Yes. Here there are four
Menu.
menu and how I can do it. I started with this because this is just one. This how to do.
Okay, another, if you have another question, I will show every question in a row.
I started to make this group image, and this kind of icon I can. Okay, I don't know how to do like here. Um, like here to be
Expandable.
yes.
Okay. Okay, let me share. Anatol, do you have also some questions?
No, I don't.
Don't. Okay. Let me share how you can make here. So menu, and you can one of the options is to enable mega menu, and here you can play with a lot of features. Here you can add columns, you can add different elements, and for example you want to add the about, you want to add a new section, a new menu, for example about, and here is more advanced way.
How did you do it?
I'll show again about new, for example, and here for the new you can enable a link. You go here and you put the link. A link need to be like, okay, you create a page and you put the link here. How to enable mega menu? Go to menu what you want to enable and click these three lines. When you click three lines, it's appear mega menu, and you enable yes, I want mega menu, and you will be able to create like on this project I created. One moment, it's loading. So you see like some text, here is menu, here is some images, and for every element you can create. This is one way. Another way, I will close this. Another way is to go to menu. So here is the menu. Go to pages. You'll need to create some pages. A new page you need. In this case, let's call it about. And on this about page, save it. And you have two pages. About home. Go to project settings. Go to, yes, harvest. This is menu you created. In our case we have one new page, but I don't see the page. I need to refresh. Let's refresh the page. First let's save it. I'm not sure if it's saved. Okay, it's saved. And go again to menu, project settings. Where is the new page? About draft. Oh, I didn't publish it. let's publish. This is why it's not appear. You see it's in draft. I want to publish, update, project settings. Yes, you can see the page about. Click on about, add to menu, and it will add here. You need to drag it here and it will appear as a new menu. But if you want to have sub-menu of the menu, you just drag this a little bit in the corner, or you need to find the right spot. You see, here I found it almost. I place it like under group image about, so this will be, but we need under this. Oh, here we have about under display. When we save, and we will update, I think. Let's update it. Go to our page, main page, to see what we did. Oh, it's not published. Let's publish. Switch to draft. No, we published. Why? I don't see. This page is not created. I don't understand why this is happening. But you can see something appeared here, about. You see, and you can change the color, background, and many more. This is the best way to do if you have a simple menu. When you have a more complicated menu like this, you need to do it in a different way. Okay. I hope this is clear how you create it. Just rearrange here the about under this. Okay, let me show you another feature. Let me go to about, and here I will show you another feature. You asked me how to make accordion. This is called accordion thing. Let's create a new, and here we need a new element, accordion. And you will say accordion 1, accordion 2. When you click, you open, and you can insert here. I think you have some options, tabs. You just need to play. So I have showed you where you need to go, and you will play with this accordion, and you will find how you can make this look better. And you have, I think, here, not sure, no. So yeah, just play with this feature, what I showed you. Okay. More questions? Guys?
Yes. I have a question about the fonts. I can't. You hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay. I'm showing you. Here. When I change the font, it limited me another things like to do, like here. If I put another, here. No, it's not. But when I a little time before, when I changed the font, it limited me to do the line height and the space.
you cannot do this. Sometimes it may happen, maybe some bugs, but if now it works, it's good. Try all the time to change the template fonts, not everything. Only when you cannot change that font or you need specific design, only that time you change that fonts in another. But most of the time, change from the templates. You know where is templates?
Here?
No.
Or
You need to go on the left part where or is this 3 lines plus left. You need to go to left.
here?
No, this is
Ah,
right. Left, yes. Below, one more icon below.
here?
Yeah, one more. Yes, this one. Here are the fonts for yes, you can scroll. Just scroll, not click add. Scroll. Yes, you see H1, H2, H3. When you need to change a font, you need to change it globally. So when you add H1, H2 on the website, it will be the font you needed. So here you need to change the font. So when it's H1, H2, H3, H5, H6, it's need to be the same font but different sizes. On buttons you can have other font on yeah, but here it's the best way to play with colors and fonts to have globally. It will change to all pages at the same time. Paragraph it need to be another font can be, so play with this.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Okay, here. In this case, I can't put the text on the
Image,
image, and when I use Absolute or Absolute, maybe it's not work.
you need to put the image in the row. So you see this blue line. Yes, here
Yes.
click here on this dot and the first icon. Yes, here put the image and you will be able to rearrange the text. Yep,
Okay.
you can play with it.
I see here. Okay, thanks. And I had to change to be more blue here. No.
You need to
I had to.
overlay over image. The same place where you put the image. Yep, here.
I see. Thanks.
Welcome.
And I think that's all. Yes, I will work with these menus.
Okay. Anatol, you are good with the projects?
Yes, I think.
Yes. Let me show to everyone your project. You needed to build Orange Coast Mover website.
Yes.
And this is the copy of Orange Coast Movers. I will take it over. And better to publish it. Yes, I am publishing. I think you need to work a little bit with colors here. But in the rest, I see okay. Some details here. It's a little bit messy. Like you have this one column, you have another columns here. Okay, we'll need to work on this.
Okay.
Like you can. Okay. The rest looks good. Good, guys. Continue your work and see you on a next training session. Bye.
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 Bye.